Morning, Mom Brenda. I was hoping to speak with you about our communication project. I haven't found a partner yet. Would it be possible to complete it individually?
I'm afraid not, Messiah. A class is perfectly necessary by me.
I understand, Mom, but I'm still without a partner yet.
I'm sure you'll find some of the joy that. Now, if you will excuse me.
It was mine! 1 minute. Marie sprinting across on the room like her life depended on it. The next thing, she walks on the floor. Even Mom Brenda jumped.
Why was she running? Did you tell her you partnered with someone else?
No! She was racing to ask Mom Brenda for a partner before anyone else. You know how? They'll always first to volunteer. I was too far away. Remember the stereotype seminarians would act always with grace or whatever.
Ah, yes, like when you drop accidentally your nose, Sumar's friend would pick them up. What's her name? Melissa? Eliza.
Shut up! I did not even see her.
Wow, Marie's gonna break a leg again. Maybe.
Gentlemen, is going to start in 2 minutes.
Since when do you being on time?
Since now. Move!
Good morning, class. We will be having a meeting, so I will just give you an activity.
Shucks! What is this? Flames, friends, lover, angry, marriage?
Bro, Messiah, I think Zion is
No,
in love
but we're
with you.
seminarians.
Yeah.
I'm seminarian. I'm dedicated to God.
I think it doesn't matter for her.
You're so mean. No, I'm dedicated to Brad.